Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to create a Salesforce queue to help organize and distribute workloads across your team. First, open your Salesforce dashboard and click the gear icon in the top right corner. Next, select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu. In the Quick Find box, type Queues and click on it. Click the New button to start creating a queue. Enter a label for your queue. This is the name users will see. The queue name field will autofill based on your label. Choose the object this queue will manage, such as cases, leads, or a custom object. Scroll down to queue members and add users, public groups, roles, or territories who should have access. Optionally, check Send the email to members to notify them when new records are assigned. Once everything looks good, click Save to activate your queue. And that's it. You've successfully created a Salesforce queue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.